Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a baseball and a baseball bat. I don't know about you, but I like baseball. Who's your favorite team? As you can see, my favorite team are the Cubs because I'm a proud Chicagoan. Here's what you need to get started. You need light brown, white, and blue. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with making the baseball bat. Which is making the baseball. Batter up, here's my baseball and baseball bat. I told you my favorite team earlier, now time for you to tell me yours. Cool, they're a really good team too. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later. Go Cubs, go!
To watch more videos, please subscribe.